Are you looking to generate more money, improve your situation? But every idea you see seems to require thousands of dollars, a huge storefront, or years of experience? Today we're going to break that myth. I'm bringing you 12 incredible machines to start your own profitable business from home today. Stay until the end, because number 12 is a business that few people know about and it's going to surprise you. We're starting with a true technological goldmine. Right now, the cost of replacing an original smartphone screen is extremely high, but many times the damage is just a superficial scratch on the glass. This is where this machine comes in. Instead of replacing the entire part, the machine uses a water polishing system and abrasive powders that remove signs of wear in minutes, restoring the original shine without affecting the touch functionality. It's a perfect business because the operating cost per phone is minimal, just a few cents in supplies, but you can charge a fraction of the price of a new screen and still have a profit margin of 300% or more. The best part is that you don't need advanced technical knowledge. The machine does the heavy work for you. By the way, if you're passionate about these entrepreneurial opportunities, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. But if you prefer a market that doesn't depend on technology, but rather on emotions and details, what the next machine does is something you won't imagine. The personalized gift market never dies, and with a desktop die cutting and laser engraving machine, you can take it to another level. It's no longer about buying ready-made boxes, but about manufacturing luxury packaging with unique designs, cutout names, or company logos. This machine allows you to work with cardstock, balsa wood, and acrylic, creating structures that look like they came straight out of a high-end boutique. Let's talk numbers because that's what interests us. On platforms like Alibaba, you can find very efficient entry-level models for a price around $350. If you calculate that a personalized luxury box can sell for up to 10 times its material cost, the investment pays for itself with your first large order for events or weddings. But get ready, because if you're looking for something tougher with a steady flow of customers, the next machine is even more surprising and solves a problem that all drivers have. As I mentioned, if you're looking for a business with consistent demand, a tire vulcanizing machine is a safe bet. Every single day, thousands of drivers deal with punctures or cuts in their tires that don't always require a brand new tire, but rather a professional repair. With a heat vulcanizing press, you can permanently seal those breaks by applying patches and raw rubber that fuses with the original structure. It's an essential and emergency service that people pay for without hesitation. The best part is that the initial investment is minimal compared to its return potential. On AliExpress, you can get a quality press for approximately $220. In just one day of work with several customers, you could already be covering a significant portion of the equipment cost. By the way, remember to subscribe to the channel quickly so you don't miss the rest of this entrepreneurship series. And don't leave just yet, because if this business seems profitable to you, what's coming next will leave you speechless, since we're going from mechanical workshops to an industry that moves millions of dollars in custom fashion. Now we move into one of the most powerful industries to work from home, custom apparel printing, specifically using DTF technology or small-scale sublimation. This machine allows you to transfer full-color designs, photographs, or detailed logos onto any cotton or polyester garment in a matter of seconds. The potential here is enormous because you're not limited to selling individual t-shirts. The real business lies in bulk orders for company uniforms, sports teams, or local events. What's most attractive for your wallet is that you can acquire a heat press and an adapted printer for a price around $480 on platforms like Alibaba. If you consider that the profit margin per custom garment usually exceeds double its base cost, we're looking at a business that pays for itself very quickly. And that's not all. Wait until you see what's coming next. Because we're moving from fashion to a tool that looks like it came straight out of a science lab and has an extremely lucrative cleaning market. That laboratory-looking tool is the ultrasonic cleaner, a technology that uses high-frequency sound waves to create millions of microscopic bubbles that remove dirt from the hardest-to-reach places. This is a specialized service business. You can offer deep cleaning for jewelry, electronic components, engine parts, or even medical and aesthetic instruments. It's impressive to see how a rusty or grease-covered piece comes out shining like new in just a few minutes without using harsh chemicals. Entering this niche is surprisingly affordable, since a good capacity unit to start from home can be found on AliExpress for about $160. It's a small investment for a service that is perceived as professional and high-tech. If you're finding this information useful, write the word machine in the comments and tell me which one of these you would like to buy first. But don't get distracted, because the next idea moves away from technology and into a market that never stops growing and where homeowners do not cut corners on spending. That ever-growing market is the pet industry, specifically with a dehydrator machine for healthy snacks. Today, dog and cat owners are looking for natural alternatives, free of preservatives and chemicals. And with this equipment, you can transform cuts of meat, liver, or fruit into crunchy, long-lasting treats. It's a business you can easily scale by creating your own artisan brand and selling in veterinary clinics or through social media, since the pet-friendly trend is at its highest point. To start this project, you don't need industrial infrastructure. A stainless steel dehydrator with good capacity and digital temperature control has an approximate cost of $190 on platforms like Alibaba. The difference between the cost of raw materials and the final packaged product is enormous, allowing you to recover your investment in a very short time. Stay very attentive, because although this business is delicious, the next machine is even more surprising and is the favorite tool of those who want to dominate the world of sports accessories with a minimal investment. That favorite tool for sports accessories that I've been referring to is the specialized heat press for caps. Unlike flat presses, this equipment features a curved base ergonomically designed to fit the shape of the front of any cap, whether it's a trucker style, flat brim, or sports cap. This is crucial because it allows for even heat and pressure distribution that prevents wrinkles or burns in the fabric, achieving professional-level finishes that have nothing to envy from major brands. The market is immense, from local baseball teams and promotional merchandise for small businesses to creating your own urban fashion line with exclusive designs. What makes this business so attractive is its high profitability with low operational effort. You can buy blank caps in bulk at very low prices and, after just 60 seconds under the press with heat transfer vinyl or an embroidered patch, immediately multiply their resale value. On platforms like Alibaba, you can find a cap heat press with digital time and temperature control for about $185. It's one of the most affordable entry points into the textile manufacturing world. If you were impressed by how easy it is to customize accessories, what the next machine does is something you won't imagine, because we're moving from fashion to an industry that conquers the palate and generates impulse sales on every corner. The industry that conquers any palate is snack and nut roasting, and the key machine here is a rotating drum roaster. This equipment is a marvel of simple yet effective engineering. It uses a rotating cylinder that ensures every peanut, almond, cashew, or even sunflower seed receives uniform heat, achieving that perfect, crunchy roast that is impossible to get in a conventional oven. In addition to roasting, these machines allow you to add salt, spices, or sweet coatings while the product is still hot, enabling you to create secret and exclusive recipes that build customer loyalty. The potential of this business is enormous because you can sell your products in different formats, from small individual packages for convenience stores and gyms to half-kilo bags for family consumption or bulk sales in organic markets. The best part is that the aroma released during this process is, by itself, an irresistible marketing tool. You can purchase a stainless steel roaster with capacity for several kilos per hour on AliExpress for a price close to $420. Considering that the margin between the raw grain and the processed and packaged snack is usually double or triple, profitability is secured from the very first batch. And that's not all. Wait until you see what's coming next, because we're going to set food aside and focus on a luxury maintenance service that everyone needs but few offer professionally. Let's talk about a business that most people ignore, but that has lines of customers waiting: sneaker cleaning or shoe restoration. We're not talking about wiping shoes with a damp cloth, but about a professional cleaning station with controlled rotation brushes and sonic technology. Imagine being able to charge for restoring the original whiteness to a pair of leather sneakers or cleaning the most delicate suede without damaging it. This machine is a money magnet because it targets the collector market and anyone who has invested more than $100 in their shoes and wants to keep them spotless. What makes this business a hidden gem is that the service is perceived as premium, but operating it is extremely simple. While an average person would take an hour to wash their shoes by hand, with this machine, you do it in 10 minutes with a factory-level finish. The professional equipment, with its different heads for textiles and leather, can be found on platforms like Alibaba for about $310. If you clean just one pair of shoes per day, You're already generating steady income with almost non-existent electricity and water expenses. And don't move from your seat, because the next proposal leaves maintenance behind and dives straight into the creation of luxury home products that sell for incredible prices. If you look around, it's almost impossible to find someone who doesn't use a phone case, and most people have more than one. This is where the vacuum sublimation machine for phone cases comes in. Unlike common stickers, this technology uses heat and pressure, so the ink literally penetrates the material of the case, covering even the edges and corners with photo quality that doesn't fade or scratch. You're not just selling protection, you're selling identity. From family photos and pets to minimalist designs or trending phrases that go viral on TikTok. What's fascinating about this business is that the input, the blank white case, costs cents when you buy in bulk. But a customized case with an exclusive design easily sells for $15 or $20. You can set up this workshop in a corner of your bedroom, since the equipment is compact and very clean to operate. On sites like AliExpress, a versatile 3D vacuum press costs approximately $490. It's a ridiculous price if you consider that you could be generating revenue from day one by selling through Instagram. But that's not all, because we're going to make a complete shift. Forget plastic and mobile technology, because the next machine works with one of the noblest and oldest materials in the world, allowing you to create decorative pieces that look like works of high-end carpentry art. Forget giant woodworking shops full of sawdust and dangerous machines. To enter the world of woodcrafts and decor today, you only need a desktop CNC router. This machine is like having an expert craftsman working for you 24 hours a day. You simply load a design into the computer and the machine takes care of carving with millimeter precision, everything from personalized cutting boards to wall clocks, decorative signs, or educational toys. The beauty of this is that you can use reclaimed wood or scraps that other carpentry shops discard, transforming waste into designer pieces that sell very well in decor stores or craft fairs. What truly blows your mind is the level of customization. You can engrave names, dates, or logos with a level of detail that would be impossible by hand. A robust CNC machine to start from home, with a work area sufficient for decorative projects, costs around $560 on platforms like AliExpress. It's an investment that pays for itself once you start offering exclusive items for wedding gifts or personalized interior decor. What comes next in this countdown is pure elegance, because we're going to look at a machine that allows you to create brilliant accessories that people treasure for a lifetime. To close with a golden touch, we enter the sophisticated world of handmade jewelry, but with a technological twist: the laser micro welder and precision polisher. Traditionally, making jewelry required years of training, but with this equipment you can assemble, weld, and repair silver, gold, or stainless steel pieces almost instantly and with impeccable precision. Imagine designing your own collections of rings, bracelets with personalized charms, or even offering jewelry repair services for pieces that have been sitting in a drawer for years. It's a business driven by sentimental value, which allows you to handle extremely high profit margins while working with very small materials. The best part is that you don't need a luxury storefront. The entire workshop fits perfectly on a small desk. An entry-level spot, welding and polishing station for jewelry can be found on platforms like Alibaba for approximately $620. It may seem like the highest investment on our list, but it's also the one that can scale the fastest into the luxury market. I hope these ideas have opened your eyes to the number of profitable factories you can start today from your own home. See you in the next video so we can keep building your future.